about legacy and how you're going to pass this down to the next generation? Are you thinking about that when you're doing this work, or is that something that, maybe right now you're not thinking about?
One of my core ethos is that you can do good and do well at the same time, which is not a mantra that is known in the developed world. The developed world believe that you do well, and then you think about doing good later. We've just invested in a company called Rivier in Ghana that allows you to get access to healthcare through your community clinics. He's an investor with me, I brought him in. And this gentleman, within 1 year, has been able to deliver healthcare to communities that didn't have it before. So we are not thinking about legacy now, it's in our DNA.
My name is Cierra Scott, and I am just so honored to be here amongst so many like-minded entrepreneurs. Jeff and Eric outdid themselves tonight with this forum, with this event, to connect with people that want to make a difference, a positive difference in the world, to invest in Africa. And I think we need more of these sorts of gatherings where we're coming up with real solutions for issues that we're facing. So thank you for the opportunity, and I look forward to having more of these.